Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best lawn chair that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Alps Mountaineering King Kong. Finding a balance between comfort, durability, and affordability can be difficult when shopping for a camping-style chair. The Alps Mountaineering King Kong manages to nail that balance. It offers plenty of sitting space for a camping chair, and some testers were impressed with the comfort of the padded canvas seat. One tester has owned this chair for several years and many camping trips without a hiccup. The 2 cup holders, 2 side compartments, and mesh back pocket are convenient for keeping beverages, magazines, phones, or s'mores ingredients within reach. Additionally, while the chair seems to be sturdy and reliable for the long haul, the carrying bag that comes with it doesn't hold up to the same quality. Moving on at number 4, we have Best Choice Adjustable Gravity. At first glance, it seems about on par, price-wise, with the other zero-gravity style chairs, until they realized it sold as a 2-pack. For how comfortable and nice this chair is, they think it's a great deal. They also really like how it reclines and raises easily, and the large drink tray is accommodating. It was also surprisingly lightweight for how substantial this thing is. On the downside, they wish that the drink tray was part of the chair, as when carting it around, it was easy for you to forget the tray in the car. At number 3, we have Coleman Cooler Quad. The Coleman Cooler Quad is a pretty standard camping-style chair at first glance, but it has a few tricks up its sleeve. Notably, the left armrest unzips to reveal a cooler pouch that can fit up to 4 cans, while the right armrest sports a cup holder. There is also an accessory pouch on the right side of the chair for extra storage. It packs up into a convenient bag and weighs a portable 7.7 pounds. While it's equipped for prolonged beverage enjoyment, it isn't our favorite for prolonged sitting. Your testers found that the super slouchy shape is somewhat uncomfortable for those who prefer a straighter spine, which is a relatively common complaint among camping models. At number 2, we have Kajaro Folding Chair. The Kajaro Dual Lock Folding Chair is a classic folding sports chair without any of the slouchy slack you've come to expect from camping chairs. The firm seat locks into place with a tall, friendly angled back that helps this model be easy to appreciate. On the other hand, if portability is your main concern, the Kajaro is just shy of 4 feet long when folded, making it a challenge to fit into some car trunks. It doesn't impress us with its durability, as they've had issues with broken lock mechanisms, loosening pole joints, and easily stained fabric. And finally at number 1. GCI Outdoor Rocker. The GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker is an unusual and unique rocker-style lawn chair. Instead of the typical curved legs on a rocker, the GCI sports 2 spring-loaded pistons that you can press back into in a facsimile of the motion of a typical rocking chair. It also sports a nice wide seat and a convenient cup holder permanently attached to the chair. The pistons force the user forward into an upright position, almost tipping forward, and the rocking motion doesn't feel nearly as natural as a regular rocker. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.